Hi, I'm Eliza with Sephora Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to contour. If you haven't already, make sure you go back and watch a video on how to identify your face shape. I'm here with Victoria, and she has an oval face shape. This face shape is generally balanced and longer than it is wide, so we're going to achieve the contour using light and dark to enhance her features and maintain the balance. So let's get started. I've already prepped her skin with moisturizer and foundation, and now I'm ready to highlight. There's a wide variety of Sephora products you can choose from: sticks, powders, and creams. Today, I'm going to be using creams. I'm going to go into my highlighting. I'm going to really layer it on. When you're doing the forehead for an oval face shape, you want to go more upwards, and you really want to focus on doing like an arch or a half circle. Slide it right down the nose to do the highlight for the nose. Now I'm going to highlight the base of the chin. You want to highlight either side of the nose. And lastly, what I'd like to do is highlight around the outside corners of the mouth. This is going to create a nice lift. Also, you want to hit the outside of the jaw. When choosing a contour color, you want to make sure it's not too metallic and not too warm. I recommend choosing something that's in the brown family, a little bit more neutral, taupe, just something that can blend easily that's not going to really overpower the look. I'm going to begin right in through the outside of the cheek. I'm using the angled side, the tip of the brush. So the next place you're going to contour is on the outside of the forehead. Give it a shot. When doing that, that's going to allow her to minimize her hairline, but also really enhance her face shape. Next, I'm just going to focus on contouring the nose. So now I'm just going to do a little bit of contouring on the outside of the jaw, a little bit here. So now that we have our highlight down, we have our contour down, now it's time to blend. Start from the inside, corner of the eye, blending outward, and then going from the darker side inward. So really light into dark, dark into light. Go ahead and blend your other side. Blending up into the forehead, bringing down that contour just so that it looks more airbrushed. Go ahead and try the other side. And now I'm going to move down into the nose. Again, you want this to look airbrushed, you don't want to see any lines. With this part, you can add a little bit more pressure, a little bit more rhythmic motion when you're with your tools. And now that we've blended, we can move on to the finishing step. It's time to finish the look with a translucent setting powder. So what I'm going to do is start in the center of the face with a light press and roll. Go ahead and try the other side. Notice that she's not blending or pulling on the brush. This is really key in making sure that the look stays on all day long. So now that I've shown you some easy tips and tricks on contouring, really make it your own with blush and bronzer for added warmth. And there you have it, contouring for an oval shaped face.